welcome to this chapter. So now in this chapter we are going to learn how to use the native modules that we have created in the last chapters. So let's see. So first we need to install our application. So I am in the directory already. I am just first I need to install the yarn. Okay, so it is up to date. So now we can just yarn start. Okay, and the new tab I am just going to run yarn android. Okay, and it will install the application and run it. In the meanwhile, let's go deep into the code. So we can open the app.file, and here you can see there is a simple view. Okay, with just simple text native tutorial. So let's see. Okay, so it is installed already. Okay, so see. Okay, and now we need to see the information, and we need to call our native module function from this application. So to use that, we need to import native modules from React Native, and we can create a variable like device module. So native modules, and our module name is device, and we can see that in our device modules file. Here is the name. Okay, so this name need to add here. So now we can call our method from device module. So let's create a method. Const okay, this is get display info, so I am creating the same method name with the use callback. I hope you know about the hooks use callback. It is just a memoize function, so it should not re-render if not needed. So I am using the try catch. In try I am creating a constant with the response, and it should be a sync method. Okay, so now I am creating a wait and device module, and our method name is get display info. Okay, so that's it, and I am just consoling it, console.log our response. Okay, and if in the case of error, I am just showing with the error what is happening. Now we need to call this method. Okay, so to call this method, we can do either way, that we can create a method, and on click we can call this method, or we can use the use effect as well. So whenever our application will be rendered, this method will auto call. So let's create a button. So I'm just creating a button. Okay, and title will be get display info, and we need on press, and on this on press method I am just calling this method. Okay, fix this prettier, use oh sorry, actually we need to call this method here. Okay, my bad. Okay, so now we are saving this method, saving this file. I think it should work. So let's see. Here we have the button already, and here in the console we should get our response. So let's click on that. Okay, so see, we have the is power saving mode false, because in this simulator we don't have enabled our power saving mode, and is the screen on is true. So our screen is on, so it is making that true. Okay, and these are the two variables that we were expecting from our services. So okay, yeah, so these two is screen on and is power saving mode. Okay, so this is how we can call our method native module. Okay, and this is how we can get the response from native modules. So hopefully uh, I teach you the how to create the native modules into the Android. And if you have any questions, then feel free to add your question into the tutorial and I will reply that. I also upload this whole folder into the GitHub and make it in public, and I will add that in this tutorial description. So you can, if there is some missing, like in typing, if there is something missing, then you can get the whole code and you can download it and you can run it self. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.